Tayo ngayon tayo ngayon testing hindi ko din alam pa ano gagawin natin dito. So, sino una? Si Orange. Orange Frankie sa yes, nagde-date sila. Orange and Pinky are confirmed to be dating. This is currently the only canon relationship so far. What the heck? Is this fan arts? Si Pacman? Patasama si Pacman. Sige. How did Oren die? Die in Frankie. Yes. Peace. Si Oren na isang alien. What the frick? Eyelids ripped up and ribcage opened by window. Clacker dead instrument squashes said before it was ripped up by Windy. Si Winda. Patay siya. Yes. Ayun, alien nga siya. Yeah. Good friends sila ni Simon. Okay. Kasi parehas nga silang alien eh. How did Roddy die? It's okay. Yako! Siya yung nagawa si Yako probably. Yako confirmed that Roddy didn't hang himself. It has been not revealed who killed him, but it has been implied that he may have been tortured. Yeah. It's possibly Wenda who hung him. True, this is not confirmed. Chip. Maliit lang yung brain niya ni sino ba to ni bro? Yeah. May spike inside eh. How did Brad been sprunky? Yung ginawa ni Simon sa kanya, kinagat yung ulo niya. Brad is one of the survivors along with Gray, Wenda, Funbot, Jebin, Pinky, and si Pinky, and Mr. Fun Computer. He eats moss when alone. He wears a bucket to hide his spike on his head. Ayun si Tayoni. How did Horror in Sky Horror form? Oh my goodness. He appears to be implied by 4 rods. One is through in the middle, ito, of his skull to chin. One through his chest. One through his ear, ayan, which is likely touching their brain, and one is through his left eye socket, ayan. Tanner plus Garnal, the first dead when I had been ordered to murder the others by Black. And she took Tanner's gun as he was about to use it and shot Tanner in Carnal by accident. Or in the third death, Wenda in some sort of murder frenzy ripped her rib cage out, sorta, with a knife. Oh, that's sad. Ay, ba't yan? Ay! Si Tanner, ano lang yun? Human lang yun. Ay, lizard. Lizard siya! Ay, sino yan, boy? Yeah. Sabi. Ready. Ay! Ready is Sprunky lang. Oy, bakit Derpol? What X Derpol yan, ha? Suntukin ko kayo. Joke lang yun. Ready is a red Sprunky with 5 pointy red horns on his head. The 3 horns in the center are short and jut out from his head. 2 horns are big. Big yan. Big eh. Oy! Bakit hindi ko na matuloy? Wiki fandom. Oy! I'm a kid. Ready, male, disable C. Asan yung male, disable. Ready? Ready is the second character in second bit in Sprunky. Ready si Red to. At ito naman yung horror niya. So bad. Red, snare, male. Okay. Previous, clacker, next. Ay, previous, open, next, clacker. Snare pa rin yung ano niya eh. Tapos bisa. Si Orange. Something doesn't look right. This article confers some information that might not be reliable or is only based up as presumed. Orange kick drum, yes, kick drum siya. Yung wow. Ay. Oh, sige. Ay. So, ito yung sound niya. Heartbeat niya. Yeah. I-next na natin si Yellow. Tip. Sige, ayoko nang magbasa. Tinatamad na talaga ako magbasa eh. Oy. Ayun yung audio niya. Okay. Nah, bro. Wait. guys. Parang yung whistle ni ni Tanner. Ayun. Wait lang. Saan yung horror? Saan yung horror? Ito yung horror. Ayun. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ang gusto ko marinig yung kanta. Would you like to have some fun with us, Tadagama? Kasi along with us to this one time. Si Block. Ay! Pataran yan. Ayan. Dapat yan. Ayun lang. Parang aircon lang yung ano niya. Don't mess with me yet. Meet your friends first. Yes, after this, we're going to play. Update it. What the freak? Meow. Ibig sabihin ba nito, ito yung real voice niya? Dahil edited version siya eh. Ito naman edited. Pagkapilinay ko talaga itong song. Naririnig ko talaga si Gray. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Gray. Ito si Jaban. Subi. Ayoko na. Ayun o. Fred is missing the bucket on his head and he has a chunk in the upper lip of his head missing, which was bitten by Simon. Ang laki ng ngipin niya na! Ay no. Hindi. Naglalaway talaga ako, guys. Sige. Aruin na natin yun. Sprunky! Yeah. Lagi ko na lang siya. 2018? Nilaro ko 2018 times. Oh my goodness. Grabe naman yung senior edition. Oh my goodness. Why can't I just play you? Ay no, cancel update. Malis ka dyan! Tawang naman nito. Takas mo. Oy, ayoko. Di ako pupunta sa Facebook. Mi. Parang gusto ko talaga laruin yung Cineregation eh.
Interactive Brokers pays up to 4.08% on instantly available cash.
Yeah.
Ang daling mag-cashin maglaro.
Pangit ka. 5 times lang. Bro, hindi ko pa to nalalaro. Napanood ko na ba kasi ng 5 times? Hindi ko pa to nalalaro. What the frick? This is the normal one. Oy! Ano ko agad, oh my goodness. Wait lang. Hindi ko ba kala chichika eh! Itin ko na naman. Wala na. Lalaway talaga ako. Ang baho ng hininga ko. Nag-toothbrush naman ako eh. Ba't ang baho pa rin ng hininga ko? Oy! Ano ba naman yan? Ayun. Nalarong una. Ay!
Nasal congestion, runny nose, and sometimes
Bakit ka? Ay. Yakult mo yan. Ay, ayaw ko nga. Ayaw ko uminom ng Erisiflora. Ay. What? This is not the they have arms. This is not it. Where? Oy! P6, CTR P6. Oh my goodness, Phase 1 yan. Mga ano talaga to eh, mga uy. Kuya, saan ako? Saan ako? Nasa ano na ba ako? Ay. Bilisan mo. Ba naman to? Yung ko, Dodge Min. Ala, puro sukar yan. Yung ko. Hindi naman ako makakakuha ng diabetes ata eh. Baka makakuha ako ng diabetes, guys. Sprite. Gusto ko tuloy ng Sprite na iniinom. Ano? Hindi talaga to yun eh. Hindi talaga ito yun eh. Hindi talaga ito yun eh. Hindi ito yun. 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 Pero ayaw ko talaga hindi ito yun eh. Hindi ito yun. Kasi nga lang, wait up. Hindi ito yun. Ay, hindi ito yun. Hindi ito yun. Uy, oh. Sa likod mo. Ayun, nalagay ko na si Brad. silang nato. They are all there. They are not real. Look around you. Oh, sige na. Hindi ito yun. Yan. What the frick? Baseball. That is not baseball, guys. Yeah. Alis ka dyan. Play ko na ba ito? Hindi ko pa ito mapiplay. Tignan nyo. Ayun o! Loko na. Tignan na nga natin to. Bibiri. Ay. What the freak? Ano yung nilalaro kanina? Wait lang. Ano yung nilalaro ko na kanina? Ito, Sprunky ba tayo ruin eh? Tingnan natin. Bilisan mo! Ay, wala na. Ayun. Popo icho. What the freak? Okay, hindi ko din maalala. Pero mo siguro nagtatapos ng video kung nagustuhan nyo ang video, like and subscribe at pakita ko na din yung account ni Ashero. Nakita ko na rin yung account ni Ashero. Ako budoy. Yeah. Wait lang. Okay, buddy. Pero ako budoy yun. Ayun na. Naan ko na. Pendig ko rin. Uy, sino yan? Sino yan? Pero pa siguro nagtatapos na ang video. Kung gusto niyo ng part 2, like and subscribe.